Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of Unboxing. As you can see, I got a new package here and I got it last week. So, no further ado, let's dive right into it. And inside we have these DVDs comes from Platekompaniet. You can see there. We have two of Christmas bunny. We have one with Christmas bunny, and we have two. Why do you have two Christmas bunny? And well, we remember for a while ago you talked about the movie Christmas Bunny in another video. Well, these two I'm gonna give away as Christmas goodies. Yeah. Well, this one I'm gonna give to my aunt. Yeah. And this one I'm gonna give to my cousin. I have lots of cousins, so I'm gonna give one of these to one of them and the other to one of my aunts for Christmas. Well, Christmas Bunny is about this girl you see here. This girl. Yeah. Well, she was adopted into a family. Because her mom used drugs and she used to beat her, and also she slept in the bathtub at home, so her mom was a mess. Till one day she was brought to this family, and the family has one son, and this girl and their son didn't get quite along at first. And also when the girl and her new family went to the son's uncle and other family members. So the son and the other boy who was there got shotguns. Yeah. And went outside and they start shooting. But they hit one little, this bunny here. They hit him. So he starts to bleed. So first up, the boy's father and the mother says, "Oh, there's nothing we can do for him. Maybe we're gonna, put him out of his miseries." But this girl say no. So then they went to the veterinarian, the doctor who helps animals. So they got a box, and before they got a box, she says to the bunny, "You came back." And then they took the bunny in the box and they went to the car and drive. Yeah. But the box stayed on her lap. Yeah. Because she was the one who gonna protect the bunny. Yeah. So they went to the veterinarian. The veterinarians took a look at Bunny, and you know, but then he said, "I'll have to talk to you too, the foster parents." So either way, maybe we're gonna put him out of his misery, or But this girl say no, and then they ask the veterinarian, uh, "Is there something else we can do for the bunny?" Well, there's this woman who lives, uh, you know, a couple of blocks from here, who helps animals. Maybe she can help the bunny. And this woman, yeah. Well, where have you seen this woman before? Well, I tell you. Well, she started in the TV show Brady Bunch. Yeah. Well, the Brady Bunch, she had three daughters, Cindy, Marsha, and Jan. And she got married to this guy who had three sons, Peter, Bobby, and Greg. And they lived in this big house. Yeah. So she started in the Brady Bunch in the 60s. Couple of years later, she passed away. Yeah. So rest in peace to you, Florence Henderson. Yeah. You will be missed. Well, so this movie is a great, amazing, and awesome movie for uh, for the entire family. Yeah. Well, if you're young, old, little, big, you can watch it. Yeah, it's fun, and well, it's about this bunny who connect this family together. Yeah, and a little bit later on, well, this girl runs away, so she takes the bunny and runs away because the foster parents start fighting and screaming to each other, and so she runs away. And after they heard about it, they called the cops, and there are search people. Called a search party who gonna help them search for the girl. And her foster dad, her foster dad takes the skis. The cops have some skis there, so he takes them, put them on, and goes straight in the woods to find this girl. So her foster dad do whatever he can to find his foster daughter. Yeah. So it's a sad moment in this movie. It's a little bit sad, but it's a great movie for the entire family to watch. And if you haven't watched Christmas Bunny, go and watch it. Yeah. Well, you can watch the trailer or some clips on YouTube. Yeah. Well, I promise you, you will not be disappointed. I didn't. When I watched this movie first time for a couple of years ago, I didn't get disappointed. No. Well, I liked it. I liked this movie a lot. I watched it many times. So that's what's in this movie. Some of the scenes, and well, there's a scene here. The son of the foster parents that she's with, and this other boy, his cousin, or you know, they um, were were outside, and they need someone in this carriage or something. So they took the bunny and put it inside, and straight down. Yeah. So the bunny got a little hurt. So, well, when this girl saw that out of the room, the window in the second floor, she got angry. She rushed down outside and she bit this boy like this. Yeah. And she takes the bunny because she protect the bunny. Yeah. And later on, almost at the end, you see the owner comes with his mother, and you know this owner was a little boy, and well, he didn't care for this bunny too much. No. So he fed this bunny with chocolate or other things. So the bunny got sick also. Yeah. And when he heard that the bunny eats his poop, then he said, "No, I don't want that bunny. I don't want that animal. The animal eats its poop." Yeah. Now you know that well, these guys here, these bunnies, eats their poop. Well, because there's something inside the poop they need. Yeah. Now you know. It's a little disgusting when you see it, but they do it. Yeah. Well, I got bunny upstairs, and I got lots of bunnies since 1997 till 2022. I got 6 bunnies in those 25 years. Not at the same time, but you know. And I learned many things. And well, in the beginning, I thought this was disgusting. Don't eat your poop. But I heard from the veterinarian that these animals do that. Yeah. And well, and also this movie is you can learn a couple of things. Well, if you have a bunny at home, and you're wondering what you can give them, and what you're gonna do, whether they get sick or you know, in here, well, you know, Florian Henderson, she has lots of bunnies in the barn where she lives here in this movie, and she learned, you know, she teaches this girl, well, everything she knows to take care of this bunny. So you can learn something when you see this movie. Yeah. Well, I did. So what one of them goes to my aunt and the other goes to my cousin. Yeah. For Christmas. And the second one, it's you know, Bud Spencer and Terence Hill uh, in the Troublemakers. So this is the front. This is the back. And this is the spine. And well, I show you one of them, the Christmas bunny. Well, this is the front. This is the back. And this is the spine. Um, well, you know that Bud Spencer passed away for a while ago, a couple of years ago. So rest in peace to you. Well, I am a huge fan of Terence Hill and Bud Spencer. Yeah, I I love their movies. They are fun to watch. Well, sometimes they play a funny character in the movie, and, sometimes they play a serious character. Yeah, so I love their movies. They're fun, exciting, amazing to watch. Um, well, Troublemakers is a western. Yeah, it's a comedy western. Well, I haven't seen it. No, so I can't tell you what's it all about. No, because I haven't seen it yet. Well, I'm gonna give these two here, the Christmas Bunny and the Troublemakers, to my aunt for Christmas and for birthday. Yeah, well, because she has birthday this month, the 18th of December, and and my other aunt, the other aunt I have, she has birthday the 15th of December. Well, that's tomorrow. But well, so she got a Christmas present and a birthday present because I transfer 400 kroners into her account. Yeah, so she's gonna get the present maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Well, my dad, my brother, my aunt who has birthday tomorrow, and my cousin Monica. Yeah, you heard about her. Yeah, and my friend. Well, those five I transfer for some money into their account. So they will get the money. My brother got it yesterday, and my cousin Monica got it today. So maybe um my aunt gets the money today or tomorrow. Yeah, who knows? Yeah. So this was the pile. The Troublemakers is one disc only in here, and Christmas Bunny. Well, I I I have Christmas Bunny in a shelf uh, over there. Yeah. So I showed it to you in an early video that I did for maybe last year or a couple of years ago. I don't remember, but for a while ago. So Christmas Bunny is a great movie. Yeah, go and watch it. Get it on DVD. Yeah, it's out now on DVD. Well, it's a family collection. They have released it. You can see there, family collection. Yeah. And well, inside when we open it inside, it's pictures with other movies from family collection. Well, you can get A Christmas Carol with Patrick Stewart from Star Trek. in in his role as Ebenezer Scrooge. Yeah. Well, I have that as well with Patrick Stewart, and well, I got Star Trek, Patrick Stewart, Star Trek, X-Men, um, Christmas Carol with Patrick Stewart. Yeah, as Ebenezer Scrooge and Professor Xavier and Picard. Yeah. So that's it. And these are the movies in this pile. So Merry Christmas, because it's Christmas today, the 24th of December. So I hope you get uh, something nice from your family or friends in a Christmas present. So share your knowledge, connection, collection with other Doctor Who fans all over the world. And I only want to say one word and one word only. See you later, alligator. Bye.